Hi, welcome back, guys. So, in this video, you'll be learning how to generate content for your WordPress website using ChatGPT. So, a quick recap to the previous video we did. So, we learned how to edit the texts on our WordPress website, and we also learned how to add links to the button on our WordPress website. We also learned how to change the picture or image on the web page as well. And in this video, we'll be learning how to generate content using ChatGPT, at least to make up your WordPress website. So let's quickly dive into that. So I'll be opening a new tab, and in the new tab we'll be searching for ChatGPT. So this is chatgpt.com, so you can see it. So you just navigate to chatgpt.com in a new tab. So now we want to search for. So this website was actually about is a marketing firm, as you can see. So, but now we're trying to rebrand it to a real estate marketing firm, or maybe a real estate website. So now we want to generate content for our website, because as you can see, most of the text are dummy texts. You can see, so maybe we can put the actual content that actually should fit in these sections that have gibberish texts. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So before we go back there, let's just see what we are going to prompt. So we are about to ask ChatGPT to generate content for us. So let's just see what we can get out of this. So let's say this is a best real estate marketing firm. So let's copy this. Let's copy this. So let's go to ChatGPT. So here in ChatGPT, we had to paste that. So this is best real estate marketing firm. So what are we going to do? We are going to prompt. So as you can see, it said, "What can I help you with?" or "What can I help with?" So we want to ask you a question, ChatGPT. So we want to so let's say how am I gonna prompt this? So this is the best real estate marketing firm. So we want to actually generate a sub heading for this. So in quotes, for my website. Okay, so this is what it gave us: unlocking success in real estate marketing with proven strategies. So I think this is good. So let's copy this. but you can do better. Let's copy this way. Let's come here. You can see we have we give you the best. So let's change this to, let's quickly change this and paste. So as you can see, we have unlocking success in real estate marketing with proven strategies. So this is better now. What else can we change? What can we change? Okay, so here we have providing profound services to clients. Okay, so the last time we added profound, now services. Now this is okay. So let's do for this. So this is digital marketing or digital market analysis. So we are going to generate content for this. So let's see how we can prompt this. So let's copy this. We'll come to our ChatGPT and say, given this, and we'll paste that. So we'll say, given this digital marketing analysis generates a very short content for my real estate website. So let's see. So this is what it gave us. Gain a competitive edge with our comprehensive digital market analysis. So you can see this is actually a good and concise text. So we can copy this. So in case you want you want this, so I'll show you something. So let's copy this up to here. Let's copy this up to and let's copy this. Let's come to our website. Let's paste this. So you can see this is actually much. So you can see gain competitive edge with our comprehensive digital market analysis. We provide in-depth insight into, so you can just remove this and put this dot here. So insights into, this will make the reader want to click on learn more. So this learn more will actually, maybe this should be redirected to the services here. So the learn more button, you can now add a link to the button that takes you to the services. So we can do my site slash services. You can see it. So this is now a link. So we can do that for the networking support. We can do that for the business management. We can do that for work, financial advice. So you can also change all this text to maybe what you feel is okay for you. But I just showed you how you can at least prompt the ChatGPT so you can do better. So this is just to show you, okay, this is also another way you can generate content for your website, not just for WordPress, even your normal HTML websites. So let me quickly save this. Let me save this. In the last time we didn't even save, so let me save this. So, template updated, site updated. So this is now our updated website with new content we updated here. So you can see our website, it's looking quite better than before. Yes, even though nothing much has really been done, but we are just working on the technicalities, like most strategic places, the links, the first message the reader is going to see, the picture. So soon we'll be working menu. So these menus require us creating pages for our WordPress website. So that would be the next. I think I'll check the next video I'm meant to make. For this, okay, let's quickly do another one. So this is what features we best provide for you. So can we just copy this? Can copy this. So I think this is like a drop down. So this is a drop down. As you can see, if you click it, it drops down. It shows you what's underneath it. So this here is, they said why we are best among others. So you can prompt this. So let's copy this and go to ChatGPT and say generate a short content for this. So you should put it in quotes. Let me just put it in quotes. So now you can see the content has been generated. Our expertise in real estate marketing goes beyond controversial strategies. You can see, so we can just copy this maybe up to here. Copy, go to our website, or if you can even give them the whole text, so you can copy everything. If you want them to have the full gist of it, so you can come here, you paste that. See, it's more concise now. So if I click on the drop down button, it goes back up. If I click on it, it goes down, so the reader can actually read about this. You can also do for this. Let's do for the second one. Let's copy this, do the same thing here. We paste. You can copy this if you want. Copy, paste, put it in quotes, and press enter, and content will be generated for you. So this is the second content. We bring full suites of top tier features, design, blah blah blah. Copy that, come to your website, change this, you can see it. So our website is changing. After that, we'll save. So on your own, you can do for this ones. You can also do for this ones. You can do for this if you want to, or you can remove it if you want to. You can just tweak it up, change it. So I think up next, I'll be teaching you about plugins, installing plugins in your WordPress website. So thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.